Hey!
Get out, you motherfucker! Whoa! Hey, no! Smoked on the cars, Shaggy assisted the motherfucker.
Probably immigrants.
Yeah.
Probably
Look at this right here, bro.
Yeah, probably
Viva Mexico,
immigrants.
cabrón, yeah.
I've got the
Hey.
right of way.
Yeah.
I've got the right of way, cabron.
Are you sure,
hey,
pendejo?
cabron, I've
Hey,
got the right
pendejo.
of way when I'm on the right.
Hey, you idiot.
Street.
You idiot.
When I'm on the main street,
Hey, you
cocksucker,
fuck.
cocksucker.
Yeah.
Probably an immigrant.
Yeah, we're
Probably
immigrants.
an immigrant.
They're throwing shit at each other now. That's just childish, bro. They're just putting people in danger, bro. Oh, nah. No
They're still
fucking
going.
way. Brother,
They're gonna cause an accident.
they really are, dude. Oh, yep. There it is. Bro, no
Holy
way, dude. Oh, hold up, dude. Oh, stop. No f***ing way. Should we pull over, bro?
No, that ain't our business.
Bro. No f***ing way. Bro.
Have my fucking kid in there, you idiot.
I'm in complete control.
Don't do that.
Don't grab my phone.
You're an idiot.
Why?
My kid is in there.
I'm in complete control.
¿Qué no ve pa' o qué? Piece of shit! This is not California!
You're
Motherfucker! I'm fucking up, bro! Motherfucker! Piece of shit! Come on! Show me! Come on!
I got to the light the
Come on, you motherfucker! Piece of shit!
I'm calling the police.
Piece of fuck! Take my dick! You want my dick too? You want
Show
it?
it. Show the camera. Show the camera.
Fucking
You're a pussy.
Come.
Bro, this is a one-way, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Yo, stop f***ing filming,
No,
bro.
I'm not gonna stop.
Bro, it's a one-way. Why the f*** you parked in a
Because that
fucking...
road was blocked.
Okay, so move back so people can go, bro.
Well, people are going.
Bro, shut the fuck up and get out of the way, bro.
Yeah, okay.
Back the fuck up.
No,
I hope you fuck that on YouTube, you put.
okay.
Yo, beat the fuck.
Okay. Okay.
You were not wrong because we were blocking. Buddy, no. Buddy. Just move.
Okay.
No, you...
Look at this driver, y'all. Look at this dumb motherfucker right here, man. Stupid, dumb motherfucker, bro. What the wrong with this nigga? You hit me, I swear to God, boy, look at this stupid motherfucker, y'all. Look at this stupid motherfucker. Go on, crash then. Crash out, dumb ass. Hey, man, to all you dumb ass drivers, say, man, eat a big bowl of dick. Dumb driving out. Look at this boy. Look at this boy. Boom! Hit that motherfucker. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh. 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 Oh, it's over with. It's over with. It's over with. You was your dumb ass. Let me check on this boy. Let me check on this motherfucker. Hey, yo! What the f is wrong with you, bro? You swerving everywhere. This motherfucker, get out. You alright? Man, you just... Come on, man. Get your ass out there. Can you get out? I gotta go. Damn, you see that shit, bro? Tripping. My viewers done went up. You damn near went up the side. God damn. Is you sleepy?
That boy off that fence.
Is you on drugs or something, bro?
Boy off that fence.
Is you good, bro?
Boy off that fence.
You been swerving for like the last 5 miles. I gotta go.
Okay, we're stopping.
We are just a few minutes away from opening up the door to a break.
I gotta get out of here. Oh, shit.
Pull over.
Way bigger than I expected. Before proceeding further, you must set the entrance to your personal space. A blinking, transparent doorway appeared against the far wall.
Fucking bitch.
Emergency video.
you're just like, I can't eat this or I can't eat that, you can bring in your own food. It's probably not gonna be good food, but you can bring it in.
How about pork chops? Doctor says I gotta eat more pork.
Yep. Yeah, ribs.
You know that it's officially broken up then? You told him?
Yeah. What was that? Somebody just hit a car. Wait, what?
I wonder if it's their car. They were just walking over to it. I saw that car backing up, so I was like, he's going really fast and he's not slowing down. Is it their car? Oh my god.
Oh my. Somebody just hit a car.
Oh no, it's not their car. Hold on, what's he about to do? What's he about to do?
Not him just backing up, acting like nothing happened. Was it that car?
That truck just backed into this car. Now he's getting in his car, and what's he about to do? Tell me he's not just pulling away.
I'm about to go chase him. I'm gonna jump him. Oh my god!
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Oh my god. Did they hit us?
No.
Cops get them too.
Instant karma.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
You fucking idiot!
You alright, sir?
I nearly took him off!
He was just not looking at all.
No!
Okay, Garmin.